This is me.
My girlfriend dresses me.
I don't know if I can actually.
I like to thank my father who dressed me. So I'm not going to play that sample. That's on his fucking CD, dude.
No, I'm not. Do we have?
I'd like to give a dedication to my father who dressed me tonight.
How you feeling, Dave?
That's true.
He did play the pussy all big and wet, smell like that fish drink, so. All the women love that.
Vinny, you want to light a quarter stick?
Sure, why not? Feel that fucking
Sure, why not?
I felt it.
Go ahead, they're in my car.
I felt that fucker, dude. And I knew it was coming and it still scared the shit out of me.
Dude, that was a little bit louder than I thought it'd be. But then again, you decided to toss him like right behind his tent. Not like this, like, there we go, run away.
Run away. So there's a big hole on one side of your tent.
You didn't hear the one go up behind your tent?
Huh?
You didn't hear the one go up behind your tent?
No,
No, like right there.
no.
No, before.
There was one behind your tent.
They lit one off right behind your tent before, dude.
Trying to see if you get up.
He doesn't even fucking remember.
He doesn't even, he's just like,
Of
I
course, he
didn't
did
hear
go to the main stage without remembering to, so. Yeah, Andy said he was talking some fucking weird ass shit. He's still sleeping, dude. You know, somehow we drag him to the fucking main stage when he's sleeping. We're like, wake up, eat a pill, let's go to the main stage.
I told you.
Grab a beer, eat a pill, so. I don't remember anything.
Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
Tweak.
He's stepping on a stick,
dude.
and it's moving up and down, and I couldn't figure it
That
out
was
first.
total
How the
sketch, dude, right there. He's like, whoa, what the fuck, dude? Like, those are the best moments, too, because you're like, wait a minute. He was like fucking tweak.
Did I just see that? No, because like his foot's on the end of a stick, and he kept moving it up and down, and I couldn't figure it out what it was at first. So I sat there and stared at it, and it kept bouncing. I was like, what the fuck?
Interstellar Dream Fest.